Introducing the highly anticipated addition to the Kids Life Skills family, Teens Life Skills. Creating the perfect logo took some work, and we are very excited with the final result. There were many versions along the way. Teens Life Skills was specifically designed to cater to the unique needs of teenagers, offering a wide range of exciting courses to ignite their passions and unlock their potential, from the thrilling world of game development to the captivating art of video editing, and even the powerful language of coding in Python, and so much more. We firmly believe that by providing these engaging activities, we can empower teenagers to develop essential life skills that will shape their future. But that's not all. We are committed to continuous growth and innovation as we work on developing even more exciting courses for our teenage learners. To discover more about our incredible courses and secure your spot, visit our website at www.kidslifeskills.org and click on Register for Workshops. For any further information, reach out to us via email at info@kidslifeskills.org or give us a call or message us on WhatsApp at +352 661 998865.